Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2013 Infiniti JX35 doing some rear pads and rotors. Alright. Caliper bolts 14, caliper brackets 19, flathead screwdriver, caliper compressor tool, and that's basically it. Very, very simple brake job. Now the engineers from Nissan and Infiniti decided that this bolt will not come out because of that bracket, or because of that lower control arm. So how you get around it, take your top bolt out, squeeze brake pads in just a little bit, and there you go, and come out. So that's if you're doing just pads only. If you're doing pads and rotors, it doesn't matter, still gonna take the thing off anyways. Big 19mm bolt back behind here. You need a wrench for the bottom one as well because there's no room for a socket. So, two big 19s. Bracket will come off. Piece of pie. And then you don't have to worry about that bolt being so much of a problem. Just make sure you put it on first before you put the new one back on. Alright, sometimes you need a little extra loving to get these rotors off. This one doesn't want to come off, so Mr. 32 ounce here, just like that. Now you can use brake clean the area off. Customer providing their own parts, and they opted not to get the good brake pads with new shims. So, old shims going back on. Don't forget your little adjusting plug. Slap that bad boy on there. That. And same thing. Customer did not supply brake grease. He was informed, said it's okay. So, probably gonna get a little squeaky in about 1,000 miles or so. Well, what you gonna do? I can supply it every single time, but that stuff gets expensive. And I'll get the, oh, well, it's part of your job. My job is to do what the customer asked me to do better, whether or not they want to do it against their own wishes. You can inform them, but the customer inevitably will do what they want. It is their car, it is their right, not a problem. Just inform them of what's going on, and then tell them what happens when whatever happens. This is why I like to supply my own parts. I know what I'm getting. I know how it's going to work. And my satisfaction is better rotors. Tighten up the 14s, tighten up the 19s. Some German Guten tight. There's not really a torque for it. And that is it. Have a nice day. Please leave comments, like, subscribe.